students. So this is Sivarani from ECE department. So today we are going to see about KMA simplifications. Before going into the topic, why we want to start this KMA simplifications. So before that, for this minimization of Boolean expressions. Why we are going to this topic means we want to reduce the Boolean expression. So for this Boolean expression minimization, we have two methods. So first one is by using laws of Boolean algebra, and second one is by using power of math, that is simply called as schema. So for these two topics, we are going to see only about the schema simplification. So this is the schema. It is simply called as power of math. This method is used to graphical representation to reduce the Boolean expressions. So in this method, we are using the variables depending upon the number of cells. This number of cells can be represented with the formula is equal to 2 power n. This notation only we are going to represent the variables. So for the schema of simplification, there are 5 variables is available. 1 variable, 2 variable, 3, 4, 5, it goes on. Okay. So first we are going to see about this 2 variable schema. So 2 variable schema means from the name itself we can easily identify this map consists of 2 variables. Okay, so 2 variable schema is drawn for a Boolean expression consisting of 2 variables. The number of cells present in 2 variable schema is equal to 2 power n. So and the small n is equal to 2. Okay, so for Boolean function consisting of 2 variables, we can draw 2 cross 2 schema. So this is the graphical representation of 2 variable schema. Okay, so this consists of 4 cells. The cells can be represented with the numbers. Here 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the expression can be represented with the help of A and A bar. So next is going to see about 3 variable schema. So this 3 variable schema consists of 3 variables. So by using the formula 2 power n, so the small n is equal to 3. So we are using 2 power 3 equal to 8 cells. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of 3 variable schema. So next one is 4 variable schema. So 4 variable schema consists of 4 variables. We can represent that with the help of 2 power n. The small n is equal to 4. So 2 power 4 is equal to 16 cells. So this is the graphical representation for a 4 variable schema. Okay, so totally it consists of 16 cells from number 0 to 50. So this cell representation and numbers representation we will see later. So next one is simplification tools. For the schema, we are having some rules and regulations. Okay, what are the things we do, what are the things we not do. So these are not we are going to see about the upcoming slides. So totally having 7 rules. Okay, first rule number 1, we can either do zeros and ones with ones, but we cannot do zeros and ones together. That means we can do at a time only ones. That means zeros or ones. We can't do both zeros and ones. Okay. No, the main one big point, there is no need of separately grouping x. That means don't. That does not we will see later. Okay. Rule number 2 is groups may overlap each other. Then rule number 3, we can create a group whose number of cells can be represented in the power of 2. That means a group can only contain 2 power n. That means 2 power n. N is equal to 1 means 2 cells. 2 power 2 in the sense 4 cells. Then 6 cells, 8 cells. Like that only we want to group it. So next rule number 4 is for rule number 3, we can only create a group whose number of cells can be represented in the power of 2 means this is the example. So we can't group 3 numbers along group. Okay, so this is the correct manner we want to group. So first 3 numbers, then here only. No need to group like this manner. Next rule number 4, groups can be either horizontal or vertical. We cannot create groups for diagonal or any other shape. That means we can't group like this manner. Okay, only this manner only is correct. Only horizontal or vertical. Don't group like this manner. So next one is rule number 5. So each group should be as large as possible. That is the rule number 5. Each group should be as large as possible. This is an example for rule number 5. So this is the not in want to do like this only. So this 4 ones, okay, we can do like this manner, or this 4 ones, okay, then this corner group, like that only we want to do. No need to do this like. Okay, next is rule number 6. Opposite grouping and corner grouping are allowed. Okay, this is the opposite grouping and corner grouping that is possible. Next, the example of opposite grouping is shown illustrated rule number 5. This is the corner grouping. This first row and this is the last first corner and second this is the last corner. So we want to do like this manner. This is called the corner grouping. So next, the example of corner grouping is given below. Okay, this is the corner grouping. This is the 4 variable table. It contains 16 cells. Okay, so this corner, and this corner means no need to group it like this manner. Okay, so we want to do like this only. This is the corner grouping. Okay, so next now, rule number 7. That should be as few group as possible. In case of if any numbers in separate manner means we can group in single manner. Okay, so these are the 7 rules for grouping of numbers. So based upon this grouping and rules, we can solve some problems. So this is the first example. Minimize the following Boolean function. So this is the example f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation m 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 and 15. Okay, so this is the example for corner map. So it contains 4 variables. So 4 variables means how many cells it we needed now? 16 cells, because 2 power n formula, the small n represents the number of variables. Here the number of variables is 4. So 2 power n equal to 2 power 4, that's equal to 16 cells. Okay, so this is the 16 cells. So 0, 1, 2, this is the place number. So we want to place this place number like this manner only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so this is in this problem they are giving me cells number. So 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15. So for this place only we want to put the number as 1. We may place under 0. So there is no need of putting zeros here. Only these places under we want to put the number. That is 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 13 and 15. Okay. So now this corner and this corner and this corner ones are represented. So we want to corner grouping. So this is the one kind of grouping. Next, here 4 ones are available. So 4 grouping is possible. So these are called one grouping. Second. Next, this 4 ones are present. So this is one more grouping. So totally we are having 3 groupings. Okay. So first this corner grouping means, so we want to write the expression. Okay. So here first row and last row, these ones are common. Here also first row and last row, but fourth column. Okay, so here which letter is common means here A bar, B bar, here A, B bar. So which letter is common means B bar is common. So here B bar. So next here first column, so C bar, D bar, here C, D bar. Which variable is common means here D bar is common. So B bar and D bar. So this is one grouping expression. So next this 4 1 grouping. So what are the variables which comes means these 4 rows variable will be eliminated. So the same column variable only came. So C bar D and C bar D. So next one is this 4 1 grouping. So here which one is common means here D is common. Next which one is common here? D is common. So C bar D. Okay, so this is the expression, final simplified expression for this problem. So like it and all, some more problem is there. So next one is, so this is the next problem. When we use the following Boolean function, so if of A, B, C, D equal to summation m 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. So this contains how many variables? 4 variables. Okay. So for variable represents we are having the formula 2 power n small n equal to 4. Okay. So 2 power 4 how many cells? 16 cells. Okay. So this is the place value. So this place only you want to put number 1. Okay. Okay. So this is 2 power 4 that contains 16 where 16 cells. So this is the 16 cells capital representation. Okay. So from this which number you want to place on the screen? First 0. So this is 0 place you want to put 1 place. Next 1. Next is 3rd place. Next one is 5th place. Next 7th place. Next 8 1. Next 9, 11. Then will be 10, 15. So these places are the 1. Okay. So this is the graphical representation for the given problem. Next we want step is we want to group the number of ones. Okay. So first of all we want to group in the priority number of ones depending upon the number of ones. 8 ones first priority, then 4 ones, then 2 ones, then single ones. So now we want to search. Here 8 ones is present. Yeah, 8 ones is present. So we want to group this first 8 ones. See, these 8 ones are 1 group. Give first priority to the 8 number of ones. Okay. So we want to group these 8 ones. So we grouping number 1. Next 8 4 ones is present. No. No need any no 4 ones are present. Next coming to the 2 ones. Any 2 ones are present or not? Here 2 ones is present. Here 1 is 2 ones and here also 2 ones are present. Okay. So we want to group these. So here and here. Okay. So totally 2 grouping is possible here. Okay. So first we group this number of 8 ones more. So from this B side A bar B bar A bar B then A bar everything is vanished. Okay. So remaining C bar E and C. Which variable is found here? Here common is B. Okay. So first expression here B. Bring up B. Okay. So next this 2 ones are so here from column wise C bar B bar and C bar B and row wise A bar B bar and last row A B bar. So here which one is common? Which variable is common here? B bar is common. Here which one is common? C bar B bar, C bar B. Which one is common here? C bar. So here B bar, here C bar is common. So the final expression is B bar C. Okay, B bar C bar. So these 8 1 2 is B and 2 1 2 is B bar C bar. Okay. Thank you.